Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I am going to show you how to install TikTok. Open your Google Play Store and then on the bottom right corner of your screen you can see a search icon. Tap on the search icon and then on the top of your screen a search bar will appear. Tap on the search bar and type TikTok. When you find the TikTok app, you can check the app ratings, developers and also the reviews. When you are ready to install, tap on install. The installation will begin automatically. It might take a few seconds or minutes depending on your internet connectivity to finish the installation. When the installation is finished, you can directly tap it open from here or you can also find it in your app drawer. So it is this easy to install TikTok in your mobile phone. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.